What's the difference between Kraken and Kraken Pro, and which one should you actually use in 2025? A lot of people think Kraken Pro is just a fancy version of Kraken, but the truth is the difference goes way cheaper and deeper than you might think. So in this video, I'm breaking down everything from fees and features to who each platform is really built for. So let's get straight into it. First off, Kraken is the original exchange. Clean interface, perfect for beginners, and simple to navigate. You can buy crypto instantly using a debit card, bank transfer, or wire, but you'll have to pay a higher fee for that convenience, and it's typically around 1.5%. Now, Kraken Pro is like advanced trading terminal for people who want lower fees and more control. It's built around a full trading dashboard with charts, limit orders, margin trading, and even futures if you're into that. So which should you actually use? If you're new to crypto and just want to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum without worrying about charges, stick to regular Kraken. It's straightforward and beginner friendly. But if you're even slightly serious about trading, Kraken Pro is the move. You'll save money, get access to advanced tools, and still benefit from the same strong security Kraken is known for. Kraken is for beginners. Kraken Pro is for traders. Simple as that. If you want to learn how to switch from Kraken to Kraken Pro and start saving on fees, make sure you subscribe and like.